Hello students, welcome back. I hope all are keeping fine. In last class I was discussing about the type of the fraction, proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction. I am going to explain equivalent fraction. What is equivalent fraction? A fraction is said to be equivalent if their lowest term are equal. For example, what will be the lowest term? Suppose I am taking 12 by 10. Its lowest form will be equal to so many lowest form we can get, but a lowest will be get to 6 and to 5. So 6 by 5. 6 by 5 is the lowest term. So you will say that 12 by 10 will equal to 6 by 5. If you will find or you can get this condition, this is the lowest term. If the lowest term is equal, then you can say that this and this both are equivalent. Means 6 by 5 is the equivalent of 12 by 10. Is it clear? Next, like fraction. What is like fraction? A fraction is said to be the like fraction if their denominators are equal. For example, suppose a by b, c by b, d by b dot dot. Here you are seeing that what is the denominator? Denominator is b. You can say denominator is b here. Is it clear? Means in each and every fraction in which the denominators are same. For example, you can take 2 by 9, 7 by 9, 8 by 9, 10 by 9, etc. etc. All are equal, all are like fractions because their denominators are same. If the denominators are not same, then what you can say that? Then we can say that that fraction is said to be the unlike fraction. Unlike fraction. It means in a fractions the denominators are not same, then that fraction is said to be unlike fraction. For example, suppose 2 by 9, 8 by 10, 5 by 6, 100 by 17, etc. etc. Is it clear? These fractions are like fractions. Maybe negative also, no problem. You can take this is a negative minus 5 by 6. But here you have to see that numerator and denominator. So numerator will not see only the denominator. If the denominators are equal, so we can say that the fractions are like fractions. And if the denominators are not equal, so unlike fraction. So their addition and subtraction of like fraction, addition and subtraction of unlike fraction, you will study in exercise. Is it clear? Now complex fraction. What is complex fraction? A fraction in form of proper and improper, and we can write in this form. For example, I am getting 2 by 9 equal to 7 by 8, like this. This fraction is said to be the complex fraction. Is it clear? This is a fraction, it will represent one numerator. This is also another fraction, it will represent the denominator. But in numerator and denominator also represent a fraction in which one will the numerator and another will be the denominator. And in denominator you will see 7 by 8 like this. 7 is the numerator and 8 is the 7 is the numerator and 8 is the denominator. If this type of the fraction if you will study, then we can say that this is the complex fraction. So now next topic, improper fraction, proper fraction, mixed fraction will change to improper fraction, and improper fraction will change to mixed fraction. How we can convert? How can we can change? Means suppose a mixed fraction is given 5 whole 1 by 9. Is it clear? This is the mixed fraction because one part is whole part, another part is the proper fraction. So how you can change the improper fraction? The 5 9 are 45 and plus 1 divided by 9. So 45 plus 1 equal to 46 by 9. This is the improper fraction. Is it clear? And improper fraction, how we can convert in the proper fraction? In a mixed fraction. Another example we can take. Suppose 17 by 5. This is a fraction. I want to change in form of mixed fraction. So what to do? Simply you will divide 17 divided by 5. How many times? 3 times 15. And what you will get? 2. 2 cannot divide, so we can write in a new mathematical form 3 whole 2 by 5. And this is an improper fraction. Then improper fraction change into mixed fraction. Is it clear? So we can change the improper fraction into mixed fraction. Mixed fraction change into improper fraction. We can convert it easily by this process. So today I have discussed the equivalent fraction, like fraction, unlike fraction, and to convert the improper fraction into mixed fraction and mixed fraction into improper. Thank you. In next class I will start the exercise 2.1.